Hello, Dr. Blackketter of GENESIS Chiropractic, here to answer the question of the week. Here it is. How do I stay healthy during the holidays? So people think of wintertime, flu season, colds, being indoors more, lots of parties and maybe some extra food, that kind of stuff. And then you always have that slump afterwards. People get sick, and it seems inevitable. So 3 tips. How do you stay healthy during the holidays? Number 1, sleep. Number 2, foods and nutrition. Number 3, exercise. You knew I was going to say it, right? So let's go back to number 1. Sleep. Your body heals and repairs when you're asleep, and that's just a fact. It's been studied for forever, and it's a known thing. So don't avoid sleep. Number 2, foods. What should you eat? Well, vegetables, fruits, healthy meats, healthy fats. I think people sort of know about that stuff, but we always kind of tend towards the quote yummier things as far as the fried foods and the processed foods and the sugars. Sugar depresses immune system. Period. End of story. It is not a good thing for you. So if you're trying to stay healthy, you need to eat healthier foods. Sugar and processed fried foods are not in that category. And on the food nutrition side, we've got to talk about supplementation. Vitamin C, zinc, and then vitamin D. Vitamin D is a particularly strong and useful thing. Actually, you can get it from the sunshine. That's the best way to get it. But during the winter, not enough sunshine. You don't get that ultraviolet B. It's the UVB rays that trigger in the skin to produce the vitamin D. So you're not going to be able to get that unless you're Southern Hemisphere. But during basically November, December, January, February, Northern Hemisphere, you're probably not going to be getting enough of that sun. It's not even possible to. So you need to supplement vitamin D during at least those 4 to 5 months. And then back to exercise, get outside. Fresh air is always good, always fun. So hope you have a happy, healthy holiday, and we'll see you again soon.